The goal of this experimental procedure is to quantify the impact of sediment bed geometry on incipient particle motion by using regular substrates that consist of monolayers of fixed beads regularly arranged according to triangular or quadratic configurations.
Incipient particle motion is found in a wide range of industrial applications, such as cleaner surfaces, removal of pollutants, filtration processes, or microfluidics, including template assembly of microparticles.
The main advantage of using regular substrates is that we can highlight the impact of local sediment bed geometry and orientation, avoiding any dubiety about the role of the neighborhood. We propose two different methods to cover a broad range of particle Reynolds number, from the creeping flow limit to the hydraulically rough flow.
The results of this method can also help us understand the impact of the local bed geometry in natural processes such as sediment transport or granular bed erosion.
Visual demonstration of this method is important since the use of a rotational rheometer, for instance, may not be common for particle hydrodynamic applications.
Demonstrating the method with the wind tunnel will be Jiwon, a graduate student from our lab that just finished her master thesis on this topic.
These measurements take place in a rotational rheometer. The rheometer is modified to include a customized circular transparent container. There is an embedded microscope slide to improve imaging. The bottom of the container has a regular substrate, examples of which are in this schematic, which provides an